In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Trade Statement Report in MetaTrader 5. This is perfect for taxes, performance reviews, or simply keeping a clean record of your trading activity. Start by opening MetaTrader 5 and logging in to your trading account. To access your account history, bring up the Terminal or Toolbox panel at the bottom of the platform. The quickest way is to press Ctrl+T on your keyboard. If you prefer the menu, go to View, then select Toolbox. In that panel, click the History tab. This is where your closed trades, deposits, withdrawals, and overall account history are displayed. Inside the History area, right-click anywhere and choose the time range you need. You can select All History to export everything: last month, last 3 months, or Custom Period if you want specific dates. Custom Period is especially useful for tax years or quarterly reviews. If you choose it, pick your start and end dates carefully, then confirm to load only that window of activity. Once the history refreshes for your chosen period, right-click in the History area again. Now choose Save as Report for a clean summary, or Save as Detailed Report if you want more depth, including balance changes and additional statistics. The detailed version is great when you need a closer look at performance metrics, while the standard report keeps things simpler. After you select the report type, choose where to save the file on your computer, give it a clear name, and click Save. MetaTrader 5 will generate the report in either HTML or XML, suitable for Excel, depending on your choice and platform settings. HTML opens in any web browser and is easy to view and print. XML can be opened in spreadsheet software if you plan to analyze or reorganize the data. Your report will include key details like symbol, entry and exit prices, timestamps, volume, commissions or swaps, and profit or loss, along with balance information for the period. If your history looks empty, double-check that you're connected to the correct account and that the date range includes the trades you want. If you need a PDF, open the saved HTML file in your browser, go to Print, and choose Save as PDF. You can adjust page orientation and margins there to make the layout cleaner before saving. That's it. You've exported a professional MT5 trade report you can review, share, or store for your records. Pause the video and repeat these steps whenever you need a fresh statement for a new period.